Welcome to ClickMyProjects.
Okay, the title is Robust Cloud Management of MANET Checkpoint Sessions. So, the modified title is a checkpoint technique for session management in a MANET. So, the abstract is one benefit of creating a mobile ad hoc network, that is MANET, is that members with no direct access to the internet can avail themselves of peers connection to the internet and use public cloud services. Guaranteed access to cloud services is important in the case of emergency or disaster recovery situations. The existing system is more expensive to perform in terms of network resources and delays. In this project, the system proposed a technique to deal with the session breaks during the execution. So the flow diagram of this product is login with the login request to the client browser and server from server authenticate using OTP, monitoring session of clients, synchronization cloud online storage tool, that is Dropbox. Here is the Dropbox. Generate unique ID and the session key. Login and the session starts, and there you can transfer the file, encrypt the text, audio, video, send the encrypted file to another user, and receive that file by the another user and decrypt those files. Using the checkpoints, we can restart the sessions. Okay, let's start the demo of this project. First I click the start server. So here start the server first. After that we are going to sender side. So sender side is the first home page. I click here. So enter into the project. So I'm entering into my application. Before that, if you have a login user ID, and go to directly here. If you are a user, register here. So registration is simple here. So giving a name, I'm giving a XY. Password is also XY. Retail.password. I'm giving my mail ID yahoo.com. So register here. So I'm registered. So I'm sending to the server to get the ID from the server. So send to the server. I'm using here. So get the details of that and generate the ID here. So after generating ID, send the ID to the server. So 1575 is my sender ID. After giving that, so give it to the XY and ID is 1575. XY is my password. Login into the form. After here, you are going to receiver side. So receiver side also same like that. User login. Go to user login. Here get the user ID for the receiver. So I'm registered here. I'm not 1OX, is it, so after that I'm registering giving me email ID. I'm registering. After send it to server to get the ID. So receiver ID new. I'm using here. So my ID is received here. After generate the ID. So send to ID to the. So ID is 1169. So the receiver ID is 1169. After that, user ID is 1169. Password is OEZ. So login into the receiver side. So after here we are getting the session ID and OTP from the server. So far, first get the ID for session ID for the sender side. So this is sender side. So I am getting the send request message. So after this process, we are going to session ID password generation. So send request message to the server. Send requesting here. This is the generated ID and send it to the server. So here session ID is generated. Send it to the ID to the server. So this ID is giving here for authentication. So you can send the session ID and OTP to the specific mail by clicking this button. And get the IDs from the mail and paste here. But for this process we are generated here. After that we are getting ID for the receiver side also. So I am giving request to the server from the receiver side. Generate the ID and send it to the server receiver. So I get that ID. So here I paste those ID. So authenticating. So here I am authenticating. Now we can communicate with the sender and receiver. First I am communicating in the text format, choosing the text, and I am new user. So I am texting and transfer it to the receiver. So transfer file encrypted, and you see that here. So this is decrypted one. After encryption we can store. After decryption we can view this text. So after that we are going to send the audio. So for this process, so we are moving to audio. Choose those audio from your system. So I'm going to send the, so the file is encrypted and send it to the receiver, and file has been received here. So next we can send the video also. Choose the any video. So I'm sending those videos here. So that's all. Thank you.